bass. Oh, and there goes my worm. Damn it. Probably 13-inch, maybe 14 tops. Nice little guy. Thank you very much. Hopefully this will be a little crappie. And it is what I'm looking for. Little bitty bass on a beetle spin. Little fatty fat. Thank you. Another bass on the old beetle spin. Trying to find panfish though. Oh, I still got them. Little. Or not. Another little bass. A lot of little bass in here. Thank you. Oh wow, what is this? Oh, this might be a bowfin or something, I'm not sure. Oh, this is on super light tackle. Yep, bowfin on super light tackle. Oh. He's gonna drag me all up in the weeds. Another bowfin. Number 2. This guy's a little bit smaller. We're gonna fight him a little bit longer. Tire him out. Oh, he's a pretty one. Try and release him from right here. Yep, good release.